Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the lawns in Hull and we're looking at the launch of the Swift Caravans for 2020 and in particular the Sprites with new livery. So let's take a closer look at the Sprites for 2020. Okay, so we're outside the Sprite 6TD and these are the new graphics that Sprite and Swift have introduced for this year. They're quite retro, but they also seem to be in line with all the others, especially the Challenger style livery. The 2020 models have a new designed alloy wheel, which is an 18-inch rim. So we've moved on inside now, and this is the new interior colours for the Sprite for 2020. The greys and the blues have all gone now, and we are now looking at autonomous colours, i.e. the beiges, browns and golds. They seem to be the colours that are coming in this season. I find it very comfortable to sit on. The foam's quite firm but yet comfortable. Also, I like the contrasting cushions that match with the curtains. They're pretty good. I like that. We've kept the grey worktop finishes, which I like to see because that is very practical. We have still retained the 2-drawer system inside one drawer. And at the front you still have your USB sockets, and on this particular one you have an aerial socket and a 12-volt socket too. So we'll now take a look at the kitchen. So as I stated before, we've still got the grey slate worktops, but we've got a new addition to the kitchen, and that is a stainless steel sink now, which I think is really practical. We've got the plastic one in ours, but I much prefer the stainless steel one. We've still got the 3-burner gas hob. We've no electric with this one, but we do have the split oven and we have the Dometic fridge. So at the door we still have the command centre by Sargent, the Truma blown air iNet control panel and the keypad for the tracker system. So we've moved back to the rear of the Caravan and we're now looking at the bunk beds. It's the same setup as the previous models, nothing's really changed in here. What has changed is the wood is slightly darker in the 2020 models as opposed to the 19s and 18 models. I find it quite nice actually. It's very warm feeling, and it does lift the cabin, which the walls are a beige colour. And here in the bathroom, nothing has changed at all. It's still the same layout, it's still the same fixtures and fittings, and I always say if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So there we have it. That's the 2020 Sprite Caravans for next year. Not many changes, but as I said earlier in the video, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. We do have the new upholstery change, we have the stainless steel sink in the kitchen, and we also have the new graphics. Now the new graphics, at first I was a little sceptical, but when I sat and thought about it, I thought, well, all the other graphics on all the other range of models is similar, so why not bring this into line? It stops it being sort of a them and us type scenario. I don't know what you think about it, but if you'd like to leave a comment on what you've seen, please feel free to do so. I do reply to comments. But in the meantime, thank you very much and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.